Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to cover JavaScript interview question, the difference between double equal to and triple equal to. This question can trick you in the interviews if you are not aware of the differences in these two. Right? So let's start with the definition first. Let's compare the differences uh, in between these two. So I have an Excel here where I have mentioned all the differences. Okay. So double equal to is called the loose equality operator and the triple equal to is called strict equality operator, right? So what are the major differences between these two? When we compare with loose equality operator, it checks for the value, but with strict equality operator, it checks for the value as well as the type of the operand. And if it does not match, it returns the true or false. Okay. The second difference is uh, when we compare with the loose equality operator, I'm sorry, if the types are different, it converts one operand type of one operand and try to compare it with the another. But in strict equality, it does not convert the type of any operand and compare the values. And if the type and values does not match, it returns false. Right? Let's take an example. Okay. So let's go to browser console, and if I this will return true because we are using loose comparison or double equal to here. Here JavaScript will convert string 5 this string 5 into number 5 and compare both values, and it will return true. Now let's try to run this. Here we get true. But if you try to compare it with triple equal to, so let's copy this and paste it here and compare it with the triple equal to it. It will give us false. The type of both values are different. One is string and one is integer. And we are trying to compare the string and integer. That is why it is giving it is giving us a false. I hope I was able to I hope I was able to make you understand this much, right? Let's take some tricky examples. So if I try to write this null double equal to undefined, this will give us true because null and undefined both are false values, and it compares both and it gives us true, right? But if we try to compare both the values with strict equality operator, it will give us false because it now it's checking the type of this null and undefined. And if we check type of null, it gives us the object. And if we try to take the type of undefined, it gives us undefined. This is the reason it gives us a false value, right? One more tricky example interviewer can ask you in the interviews, what will be the output of this? So here we are taking true as a boolean, and here we are taking true as a string, right? Can you guess what will be the answer here? It's a false. So as I said earlier, double equal to tries to convert one operand. So if it is a boolean operator, it tries to convert it into number one, right? If you try to compare one and true here, it will give us true value. Similarly, if we try to compare false and double equal to 0, this will give us true, right? On the other hand, if you try to compare it with the triple equal to operator, this will give us false, because false is a boolean and we are trying to compare it with the zero, integer zero, number zero, right? So these are the major differences that you should be aware of the double equal to and triple equal to operators. Okay, so that's it for the today's video. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. If you have any questions related to JavaScript, drop it into the comment. I might cover it in our next video. Thanks for watching. Keep coding and stay curious. Thank you.